Hi everybody, welcome back for another video. If you're new around here, my name is Leslie. I do planner related videos and I do vlogs once a month. I hope you enjoy watching and will consider subscribing. So for today's video, I wanted to show you, as you can tell from the title, some Amazon planner supplies or stationery supplies. I bought these this week. I was very excited. I've been watching a lot of journaling videos and I wanted to buy a few things. So the first thing I got were these. It's not page flags, these are Post-its. As you can tell, 4 come in the pack, which is awesome, but these are the clear ones and I really wanted to try them out because I've been hearing a lot of great stuff about it. So let me just grab a planner and just show you all how it looks. If you were to put it here and you were to write, it's completely clear, so you can just write. And oh my god, this is awesome. I really love this. All right, so 4 come in the pack. One thing, I'm gonna have everything on the description in case you want to check anything out. Disclaimer, this is not sponsored whatsoever. Anyways, that brings me to the second item, and are these pens. I do have to admit, I bought these thinking it was a different brand. I'm gonna try to search them and put them here in the screen, but this is not what I thought I was gonna get. But these are the ones that I got. So far they write pretty well and they dry up really quick. I don't know what this is. Let me see. I think it's the brand that included this. Oh, so this is a vinyl. That is so cool. So I think the brand included that mustache there, which is super cool. And just saying thank you. All right, so let's write here so you can see. So it dries up super quick. Well, apparently not that quick. But at least in the planner it was drying up really quick. I don't know what to say about this pen though, because okay, let me write here because I don't know what type of pens I can use in the Post-its. So if you guys know, let me know in the comment section. So that's in the planner. You see that in the planner it's a totally different story. So maybe it's just this kind of paper. I don't know. Anyways, so far I think they're pretty good. I do recommend them, but I'm not sure if it would be a good idea to write with these pens on those Post-its. Just keep that in mind. So that brings me to the next item, and these are some washi. I did see these before the video, but I wanted to just open them up with you guys. I did not open the washi itself. It does have a backing, which I really like, because like that you can just get whatever piece you need and you don't have like the whole sticky thing. Love the gold foil, super pretty. So this is the one, this is the first one. Brings me to the second one, which I absolutely love, you guys. I love anything that has pink. All right, so this one again, they all have the backing on them. This one is also very pretty, very pretty. Then there's this one. They have like, they look like they have some watercolor, if you can tell. That's pretty. And here's the last one, which I'm not a blue person, but I love this one. Anyways, here's the blue. You guys, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. All right, so that is the washi. I love the way that you get just a different pattern every time. You just keep opening it up and you get a different pattern. I really like that. All right, so next I have the stickers, and this is a little bit out of my comfort zone. I usually don't go for vintage looking stickers, but I saw again a lot of journaling videos and I was inspired, and I have to say I love these. So I'm gonna speed through these really quickly. All right, so that is it for the, yeah, they all have a backing. I don't know if to call them vinyl stickers, because I don't think they're vinyl, but these are really pretty as well. And these are the last stickers, and I love this, you guys. Wait till you see them. I thought it was only gonna be one page, but turns out there's a couple of pages. So here's the first one. We have this girl, and it looks really pretty for summertime. Looks like she's having like a little picnic. We have some florals, which you know about me, and you've been following me for some time. You know I love my florals. You guys, how adorable and aesthetic is this? Love. Again, there's this one that could be used for the picnic one. And we have these. And these. Tea time. Love. And we have like this vintage looking one, which is super adorable. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you for watching. I will be having everything on the description again in case you want to go ahead and check it out. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all on my next video.